Imagine cutting your workload in half without hiring anyone new. Imagine responding to customer inquiries instantly, processing orders automatically, and growing your business while you sleep. Sounds too good to be true. It's not. Welcome to the age of automation. In today's video, we're exploring the real impact of automation on business growth and how you can use it to scale smarter, not harder. A client of mine, an online bookstore, used to spend hours every day managing inventory and replying to customer questions. After implementing just a few automation tools, they saved over 100 hours per month and increased their monthly revenue by 40. This isn't an exception, it's becoming the new normal. Stick around, because I'll be revealing 3 automation tools you can start using today, no tech skills needed. Part 1. What is business automation? Business automation is the use of technology to handle repetitive tasks and processes without manual input. From sending emails to tracking shipments, managing invoices to onboarding new clients, it's all about efficiency. On-screen examples: automated email follow-ups with mail scheduling, social media posts generating leads with chatbot, auto-generating reports with tools like Actionable. When done right, automation frees up your time and resources so you can focus on strategy, innovation, and customer experience. Part 2. Why automation drives growth. The link between automation and growth is undeniable. Here's how automation fuels business performance. Speed. Tasks that took hours now take minutes or seconds. Consistency. Reduced human error equals smoother operations. Scalability. You can grow without dramatically increasing overhead. Customer satisfaction. Faster responses mean happier clients. Data-driven decisions. Automated systems generate real-time insights. Stat highlights. Businesses using automation see up to 33% higher productivity. 80% of top-performing companies use marketing automation. Automated workflows cut labor costs by as much as 60%. Whether you're running a side hustle or a 50-person team, automation isn't just helpful, it's essential for long-term growth. Part 3. Real-world examples. Example 1. E-commerce brand. Using Zapier and Shopify integrations, they automated order confirmations, shipping updates, and customer follow-up, saving time and increasing conversion rates. Example 2. B2B agency. By integrating Actionable with their CRM, they responded to leads 5x faster and doubled their close rate within 2 months. Example 3. Freelance coach. She set up an automated onboarding process using Calendly, mail, and digital forms, eliminating back and forth emails and delivering a professional client experience from day one. Narrator on camera. These aren't unicorns. These are everyday businesses, just like yours. Part 4. Tools you can use today. Ready to bring automation into your business? Start with these 3 beginner-friendly tools. 1. Zapier automates tasks between your favorite apps. No coding needed. Example: auto-save email attachments to Google Drive. 2. Mail by OnPassive AI-powered email marketing platform. Write, personalize, and schedule campaigns in minutes. Ideal for small teams and solopreneurs. 3. Actionable real-time web analytics plus visitor tracking. Uncover behavior patterns and automate your lead response flow. Start with just 1 tool. Automate 1 task. Once you see the results, you'll want to scale up fast. Automation isn't about doing less, it's about doing more of what matters. If you want to grow faster, serve better, and stay competitive, automation is no longer optional. It's your edge. What's one thing in your business you'd love to automate right now? Drop your answer in the comments, I'd love to hear it. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss out on future growth tips.